If you've been following my channel so far, you'll know how much I love the Hover Air X1 selfie drone. Now I'm so excited to be able to tell you that Hover will soon be launching a new Pro and Pro Max version of this drone with a huge number of updates addressing many of the shortfalls and complaints of the original X1. So let's get straight to it and start comparing the specs. Well, the Pro version is going to offer 4K resolution at 60 frames per second compared to 2.7K and 30 frames per second on the original. Now it's also going to have a large 1/2 inch CMOS sensor to be able to provide much better overall image quality. It's also going to have a massive update to the follow speed up to 42 km per hour or 20 miles per hour rather than just 24 km and 50 miles per hour from the original. Now this now means it's going to be immediately of some interest to cyclists, to skiers, horse riders and that sort of stuff, where rather than going at a much more leisurely pace, they'll be able to go at a much more normal and decent speed. Now the tracking speed, and what I assume they mean by this, is the side tracking mode, is going to have a massive 60 km per hour or 37 miles per hour speed limit. So that's a massive difference. And that's not also the end, it's now capable of flying over water, snow and over cliffs, and in addition it's going to have collision detection. Now this is a massive game changer and a huge upgrade over the original. So suddenly this drone is going to be virtually a foldable selfie drone, allowing all the convenience of the lightweight folding design, but now you can go over water, snow and without having to worry about it crashing into things. What's more is that the altitude has a huge upgrade. Rather than 15 meters on the original, it's now 5,500 meters according to the specs. Now when I read this, I was like, this has got to be a typo, right? 5,500 meters altitude, man, that's just absolutely ridiculous. Well, let's find out if that's true when it comes out. Now it also has a level 5 wind resistance. And what does that mean? Well, it basically means it's got the same wind resistance as the original DJI Mini 3 and Mini 4 Pro drones. So that is also massive, so you can maybe start getting these cinematic shots with this drone that we weren't able to before. The flight time has also been increased to 16 minutes compared to around 10 from the original, so this is pretty much in comparison to the normal DJI Mini 3 and Mini 4 drones that we're used to. So this is suddenly a game changer, so suddenly the Hover Air is taking on the likes of the massive DJI manufacturer to provide a much more serious drone to be able to get some decent footage, and also with its quick deploy foldable design. So the Pro Max model is going to be released offering 8K resolution. I mean, holy moly, 8K resolution compared to 2.7 on the original, and that is a huge upgrade. I was so excited to hear about this drone that I just had to tell you guys all about it. Now of course I have no idea what the price point is going to be, but if it's anywhere near the original, I'm sure it's going to be a huge success. Well, of course guys, I hope you're as excited as I am to hear about this drone, so I just had to tell you about it. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are and what the price point's going to be, and whether you're thinking about, if it does come out, whether you're going to get one. Take care and I shall see you soon.